got some of the cheapest RC toys on the internet. And in this video, we're going to see how good or bad they are. And this one here's a little rear-wheel drive drift car. Oh, well, that's a good start. Anyway, we got cheap planes, drones, more cars, a tank, a monster truck looking thing, and no idea what's inside this box. So we're going to fly and drive all that lot in this video. But to start off with, let's give this one a little burn. You know it's full on toy grade when you got to unscrew the battery cover. So it comes with a battery charger, and the controller needs a couple of AAAs. And while that's charging up, let's have a look at the next one. Oh! Whoops. So luckily it comes with a snap-off propeller to save it. And you also get a spare prop and also a three-bladed propeller. It's also got gyros to make it really easy to fly, hopefully. So this is actually pretty high-tech, and in a little while we're going to take it out and see if I can fly it. Every plane I've ever had, I've crashed. Hopefully this one is going to survive. Anyway, let's charge it up and... oh! Look, the drift car battery's ready. Ha! And high speed? It's a bit lame. Let's see if we can make it look more interesting than what it actually is with a bit of music. I don't know. I knocked it, look, and it's knocked out the trim. I can kind of clip it back in, but eventually that's probably going to wear out. And rear-wheel drive, you normally want a gyro, otherwise it just spins around in circles. But anyway, it does come with some rubber tyres, so we're going to try these later. And next, let's have a look at... drone. Oh, trying to do it one-handed here. Whoa. Where you going? Ah! Now I can fly with both hands and film all at the same time. Yes. Where you going? Come. So you can flip it, you hit that button there. Hey, and this button there makes it go faster, so slow, fast. Meow. Let's try and land it on the bench, come on. Yes. I've got some new merch, by the way, so get yourself some and become part of the crew. Right, next victim. I wonder what they copied here. Anyway, this thing is super basic. It comes with rubber tyres and also a set of drift tyres. Here's the battery. Comes with a charger as well. Oh, and this one's got a gyro. Don't know if you can see that on camera, but you move the car, the wheel's correct. So, if you're trying to drift and the back end slides out, these tyres are going to correct for you. Hopefully. Do you know what? It actually drives pretty good. It drives a lot nicer than this one here. So in a bit, we're going to put on the drift tyres and give it another go. But first, I want to check out the tank. And then we got this jalopy and also the mystery box. Oh, I think I'm going to break it trying to get them in. All right, let's not bother. Anyway, if you've got the patience, you can go ahead and put all this stuff on. I haven't. And now for the staircase of doom. Oh no. Alright, here we go. We'll try and do it slowly and... Oh no! Oh no! Still works though. Doesn't sound too happy though. Next victim. Oh, it needs charging up. So while that's charging up, let's try the drift tyres on this one. Boom! So now let's try the rubber tyres on this one, then hopefully that one's going to be charged. And then we can have a look in the mystery box. Oh, look at that, it's actually got ball races in there. Double wishbone suspension, sway bars. Actually looks pretty cool for a cheapo. And by the way guys, if you're new to this channel, we do a whole range of different RC cars. World's biggest and most expensive RC cars are the giant petrol powered ones, giant electric powered ones, the world's best bashers, RC go-karts, Formula 1 car, Project World's fastest RC car, nitros, vintage cars, real monster trucks and street cars. So subscribe and turn on notifications, because if you don't, you'll miss all those cool videos. And 71% of you viewers are not subscribed. And subscribing's free, so why would you not? Let's get these rubber tyres on here. Boom! I've done it. What's it doing? It's doing that by itself. So age 14 plus. I don't know, do only 14-year-olds are going to stay occupied with this for more than like a minute or two? Anywho, this one's charged and this one's for a 6-year-old. Oh! So in a minute we're going to have a look in the mystery box, but first, let's take the plane out for a fly. This is stabilisation mode, so it's quite beginner friendly. Oh! You know what I've done? I clicked it from mid to expert, and that happened.
Don't do that then.
I'm not an expert.
Have you broken it?
No. Luckily, the propeller is snap off, so you just snap it back on again and should be good to go. Got an acrobatic button as well, should try that?
Yeah.
Oh! It's not funny. It's very serious. You know what?
Sorry, serious hobby this.
This is not a toy aeroplane. It is a model aircraft, a miniature aircraft. It's like a real plane, but miniature. It's very serious. You can't laugh.
I apologise.
So I'll try expert mode again. Oh, it's expert now. Oh, when it's in expert mode, it doesn't like it. Andy, we need an expert plane pilot. We're going to give it to an expert.
Yeah.
So we've got the expert in the case. This man here, Andy, flies jets. I've got a challenge for you. Can you land it? Yeah. You got to land it on this little runway there. Ah! I thought he was an expert.
I can fly better than that.
No, you're staying away from it.
Andy, he said I can't
Nope.
fly.
Nope. No. Oi! He's better flying that than he's driving his cars. I'll give him that. Max only knows how to crash, so can you land it without crashing? Wow!
Something fell off.
How? You got to hit that ramp there, and then clear that railing. And clear the railing. Oh, look at that! Even the X-Max can't do that. Claire wanted to have a go. Go on, Claire, have a go. But then you got to chuck it at Andy if you lose it. Roller. Right, Claire's go.
Which I don't even know which is.
What? You said you can fly. I said after you've flown the last plane, no way. And you said you can fly them.
I'm flying. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just twiddling buttons. I crashed it.
So what's the challenge?
You've got to come from that direction.
Whenever he's got an idea, it's going to be broken.
Fly underneath that box.
Under there. Oh, Mitch, I've got a challenge.
Oh no, what's the challenge?
Skate up to it, but then you've got to jump and run over the box, and then the skateboard goes under, and then you've got to land back on it. Alright, here we go. My go. Oh! I made it through. Max's go. Oh, he nearly done it anyway. It's a win, didn't it? Ah, game over. So luckily for us, but unluckily for the plane, we have spares. What one do you want?
Put this on.
Go on then, 3 blade. I reckon Andy should have a go now. No. Can you give Claire a haircut with it? Oh, game over. We're going to try and give Claire a haircut. And lastly, the mystery box. I don't even know what it is. It's probably a drone, isn't it? Gotta be a drone, isn't it? It looks like a mini DJI almost. It's got a little camera on there. And it says on here it's got obstacle avoidance. That must be this little gadget on top here, look. So the battery comes out here and it comes with 2 batteries and a charger. To see what the camera sees, you've got to download an app onto your phone. We'll do that later. I want to see how it flies first. Normally you go up and down on this and that arms it. Yes. Oh, we're off. Right, so this is supposed to have obstacle avoidance. So one-handed, there we go. We move this stick forward, it should go forward. Yeah, one-handed, whoa. Oh! Oh no! Ah! Stop! Oh! What happened? Suppose we better read the instructions. Vinny has just gotten the drone and Vinny's going to try and make it work, and then we're going to see if we can get any footage of the cars going round. Oh, I'm just finished charging, so my race is up in a minute, so I'm going to race, and then Vinny over there is going to fly that.
It's not on the App Store, is it?
So they're going to be data harvesting.
Yeah. More data.
Oh, I go. Right, I was racing, came second in that race. So can Vinny
Second's the first loser.
Yeah, I know. Come on.
Unconnected.
Ah.
Oh, hang on. What's that?
Oh.
Get it this time. That'll do, innit?
No.
Oh. Proximate. Don't want too much data harvesting. Oh,
it's working.
It's working. Where is
Yes,
it?
it's it.
Where is it?
Look at that. Ow. Right, so I'll film the screen and you fly off somewhere. What do these do? This has got to be the most jerky drone footage I've ever seen in my whole entire life. Oh no! Apparently you can do flips. So that there is the speed button, that one's a flip button. And move the stick one way, or that way.
Yeah, it's really working, Ted.
Yeah. Well, we got speed. Hit the speed. Go faster. I have to go faster now. Is it not flipping? No, it's not flipping.
It's flipping. Wonderful.
So if you want to know where we can get all this stuff from and merch, there's going to be a link to all of that down below. Right, next video we're going to get back to the bigger RCs.